Today, I'm excited. I've got a star in his own right. So, Dr. Tony here has become one of my regular viewers, and he comments and he watches, and I noticed that he has his own live video show that goes on, and it's the
Crooked Spine Show.
So
I'm a chiropractor, so it kind of makes sense, I guess.
Crooked spine. So you make the spine straight, right?
Exactly. We go from crooked to straight or normal.
Yeah.
That's the plan.
So I thought that it would be a good idea if he and I collaborated on something together, and we came up with some exercising techniques that he's going to talk to you about today.
The biggest thing, Lisa, is everyone sits a lot. Okay, we use our brains more to work, right? We sit in our cars, we drive, we go to work, we sit at our desk, work on computers or phones, whatever we're doing, and we drive home from that point, and we go from being maybe 5'7", 5'8", to 5'6", 5'5" by the end of the day.
What's going to happen to me, because I'm originally 5'3"?
You're like maybe 4'4". Okay? But how do we get our bodies back here or more upright? What I've done is put some links in. We're on Lisa's show, right? Okay. I'm gonna have you link. The first one's called 6-second posture. It's just copy the top link. And we're gonna copy that link and show you. I'm gonna give you exactly how to change your posture back to a straighter posture, either sitting or standing. Okay? The goal is if our body is moving better postures, we're not hunched over, we can think better, we stay more relaxed, we can stay strong. That's the things I want people to understand. With chiropractic, yes, we move bones, yes, sometimes it gets scary, yes, sometimes it feels different or weird or exciting, but my goal is once I've adjusted you, or my partner, or the chiropractor here too, what are we going to give you to take home to change your position so your body isn't stressed? If our body isn't stressed, then we can do what we want to enjoy the work. We go to work, we go home, spend time with our families, and wake up good the next day. Okay? The first one I just sent you now, thanks for sending that, is your 6-second posture video. Second one, that one basically stand against the wall with your head, shoulders, hips, and heels, and you stand there for about 30 seconds. See if that feels normal to you. If it does, great. If it doesn't, what can you work on when you stand and walk in that better position? Keep your body upright. So you stay nice and tall, you don't become 4'4". 4'4" would be bad. That's like under a midget.
Yeah,
I think it is. Midgets are good. But it's not yet there for where we're above that area. Next one is your sitting posture. A lot of us sit on average 6 to 7 hours a day. Okay, that's what we do. So how can we sit more upright in our chair? By putting let's load that one up too, the sitting posture one. And by sitting in our chair to where our knees are below our hips, our feet are underneath you, so you sit more upright in the chair. More like this.
Okay. But my knees don't go below my...
Well, scoot forward. That's what it is. That's kind of
what?
Scoot forward here. Scoot forward. There we go.
Okay, I'm
now your feet underneath you. And slip and fall. There we go. How does that feel?
Fine.
Good. Does it feel like you're more balanced?
Yeah.
Try it and see. But that point your body's upright. If you're back in the chair, what happens is we all slouch forward. And I just felt like 3 inches, I think, on the camera. And here, where I want to be more upright.
Oh, yeah, because us short people, we want to be. I always sit on the edge of my chair because I'm short. My legs don't always reach the floor if I sit on that.
Upright, that's the key. Okay, the next thing I'm going to send you is going to be a low back stretch videos. These are my about probably 50 videos that I've done different stretches. These are stretches I recommend my patients to start with. Get your back to loosen up so we're not hunched over again. Get our body back in a position this way. A lot of our low backs, what happens is our lower back holds 8% of our body weight, 8%. We want to make sure that's working properly in a better spine position, a better curve by making our body up for one. Make sure we cut that pressure. We want to depressurize that lower back. Next one I'm going to send you to is going to be a neck one. So everyone that has neck and shoulder tension, when they're sitting, driving, or even at home relaxing, that helps release that pressure. So again, our head can come back here, alleviate sometimes neck pressure, even hand tingling, hand numbness, along with headaches. We want our body getting relaxed so our body can get stronger over time. All these 2 videos that my staff just sent, the 2 best videos for the neck and low back stretches, in the comment or actually in the post itself, has the strength exercises go with them. Okay, we want to go from stretch to strengthen. If you go from stretch to strengthen, that's when we get things loose and then strong. then our body can stay that way by maintaining a good routine over time, either through my videos or through your own videos or through a trainer or what you can figure out, so your body stays strong every day. Okay, when I do my workshops and my live videos too, people ask me the first time they see me, how often do you do this, doctor? I go every day. Eight times a week, 2 times a day, based on your load on your body. So if I'm sitting at a desk, say 8 hours a day, I'm going to do it more than someone who may only sits at a desk 2 hours a day. Or it's their day off, at their home with their family, whatever, is going for a hike, going for normal stuff. Again, change your lifestyle. So based on the stress of your amount on your body, then match it with your exercise routines to make sure that every day within 24 hours you negate that stress on your body. That kind of give you the big picture.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, with everybody so focused on eating healthy, exercising, this is all part of it too.
If our position, when we're sitting upright, our body is less stressed, the load in our body is less, so it doesn't use as much energy. And then you're not like exhausted. Okay? You want to make sure you maintain that, and over time you learn that, so your body can stay relaxed and more energized for the rest of the day.
Wonderful.
So Upland, what your show is doing is phenomenal. It allows people to see where you can do and help people. You want to help yourself too. You want to make sure you can do your own work and build up a decent, I want to say, income or business so you can give money to these charities.
Exactly.
You can enjoy that portion of giving back once you've made a certain point.
Smart guy.
Just being the big thing around, because obviously you do great work here, so appreciate that.
Thank you very much. All right, guys, well, there you have it. So he's loaded all those exercises into the comments on this. I'm going to save the video and make sure it's posted so you guys can access all of those. Check out the Crooked Spine Show.
Yeah, is that on there too? It's on the, if you go to the other page on there, or swipe 3 fingers swipe up. There we go. Or go back. I'll figure it out. I'll put it on there later.
Okay. So check out the Crooked Spine Show, and you all have a great rest of your Friday and a wonderful weekend. I hope to see you tonight at the karaoke, and I thank you, Dr. Tony, for joining me today.
Appreciate that. Thanks for having me.
All right. Bye, guys.